Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here with an unboxing. So I was super excited to get to this. I didn't even hesitate. I didn't even prepare my table space. So you can see we're still on my craft mat. I actually haven't crafted anything since the spring challenge ended because I'm still reorganizing stuff. But I got this in the mail, and this was the unboxing that I hinted at in another video that I was excited because it's returned. Well, Sugarmuses Deluxe Muse box is back, and I finally got one. I missed the first one. I was a little sad about that, but now mine is here. I'm super excited to open it. Sugarmuse has changed their format. They're no longer a monthly box, they're bi-monthly, which is kind of okay with me. I'm not upset about it. I kind of had like a ton of stuff that I was sort of getting to the point where like I couldn't use it all, so getting it every 2 months as opposed to every month actually works out better for me because it allows me more time to use the things. But I'm super excited. I want to crack this open. I have a brand new phone setup here, camera deal. My setup is the same. My phone is different, so I'm gonna hope that this video quality is choice because otherwise I gotta take this phone back. It's not gonna work out. And I also have to open this quickly because I'm expecting a grocery delivery, and those guys have no freaking chill when they try to call you. If you don't answer, they just act like you disappeared off the face of the planet and there's no possible way that they could deliver your groceries to you. So I'm gonna try to open this box in a way that makes sense, but also do it quickly so that I don't miss that or miss their super important phone call that, you know, determines whether I live or am dead. So this is the Beltane box. This is kind of cool. I don't know what the theme was for the February box. I don't know if that was like in bulk or Astara. But a Beltane box is cool. That's coming up, so super useful, super pertinent. And it has these gorgeous Book of Shadow inserts. You're gonna have to pause and read this because I can't read this. Although now that my camera is new, you should be able to read that because I can see it on the camera pretty well. But it's really beautifully designed. I love these inserts. I love the size of them too because my Book of Shadow pages are actually larger than this, so it gives me room to like add more stuff or decorate around them. And this is really gorgeous. Love that. And I love this. It's going in a journal for sure. So beautiful tissue paper, definitely on brand. And I love the presentation of these boxes, you guys. This is my favorite like witchy subscription box. I've had quite a few, but I always will return for Sugarmuses. They have really great quality and stuff. And I can't remember how much it is, but I will link it below. So if you want to sign up for the next round of orders, because they are bi-monthly, you have to get like through a window. This is neat. I think this is like the Tarot Oracle card. I've never seen this set before. I've seen cards of a small size like this, but this is really neat. And I love the art in that. That's great. And the little vellum envelope. I really like that. That's also journal fodder that will be useful. Where to start? I don't know. There. So we have a black agate. I don't know what I'm untying now. The problem with like beautiful packaging and being in a rush is that this is a struggle. Oh no. The first knot I untied made it worse. Come out. This is going to be a 20-minute video of me struggling to open stuff. Here we go. That's beautiful. It's a really nice solid piece of agate. Like a great palm size worry stone. It's actually smaller than you know what I mean. Handheld is what I was going for. So let's see. I don't know. Everything looks so great. This one first, because I already looked at it and made eye contact. So yeah, I can't avoid it forever. This is really pretty. Ooh. Okay. It's got like little dandelion seeds in it. So I'm guessing it's like a resin ball, maybe? I doubt it would be glass. I think it's resin. Yeah. I don't know what the chain is made out of. I'll have to switch it anyways because I have a super sensitive skin allergy to most metals. But this is really pretty. I love this. I love that it's blue and not just like clear. I think that's really neat. Ugh. And for the tea, we got our little tea bag. These are great. And this is pineapple papaya, which sounds delightful. And it's literally just green tea, pineapple pieces, some flavoring, and some cornflower petals. So that's really great. Really straightforward. I love a straightforward tea. Let's see, what is this? Spring Muse handmade organic, handmade organic ritual soap. It's got all the good stuff in it. Look at that color. That's really pretty. Boop. This is the candle. So this is the Beltane Botanical Soy Candle. I love the packaging. I love a good tin candle. And this is really nice. It's kind of a crescent shape, which I appreciate. And there's like some dried hydrangea and some of this purple stuff that isn't lavender. I don't know what it is. And it looks like maybe some jasmine petals or something in there. That's really nice. Really pretty. So I will save that to use on Beltane. And this is... Ooh, they have new packaging. So this is the Sugarmuse fragrance oil. They now have like official packaging for it. And I think the bottle is bigger than the old ones, or maybe the same size. Oh no, it's bigger. It's taller, but a little bit thinner. So this is nectar, citrus, cassis, and jasmine fairy sight. How neat is that? I love their oils. Let's see. It's a roller ball. It's a roller ball. So that's awesome. So excited. What's next? Ooh, are these little tiny these are baby candle holders, you guys. I already know. I already know. Let's see. These are cute. Come out. Look at that. How cute are these for chime candles? I like these because they're like, you know, most chime candle holders are like that little cup. And you just stick it in here. But this gives them some height like that. That gives them a presence on your altar. I love these and I love the color. And they're still like a rough wood. It's like a wood stain that makes them this color. But you could like paint your own personal sigils on here, stuff like that. These are really nice. Like blank slates that are still nice on their own. There's so much stuff in here. There is an herbal sage incense. Very nice. They have really great incense. It burns pretty clean. And I don't know what's in this bag. Sorry, I know this is like a mad dash to get in here, but like I said, those grocery people cannot be trusted. Ooh. Okay. Okay. This is gorgeous. Ah! I love this so much. Ah, she's stunning. I love a green lady, you guys. Like, I have a green man, but I don't have a green lady. This is choice. It's a nice weight to it. It's definitely a cast, but man, that's great. Might add something to her eyes to make them pop a little bit, but I love this. So pretty. I don't want to like knock it off my desk. So let's see. Ooh, there's a little like rainbow cherry blossom spoon. I love a tiny spoon. That's sweet. And a bunch of noodly bits. And I think this is the last thing in here. There's so many noodlies. Okay. So the last thing, this looks like a little spell kit. Everybody come out. Yeah, so there's the chime candles. And a crystal wish spell. And this really pretty like cornflower and jasmine mix. That goes great. And this really nice, super sparkly quartz. How pretty is that? I love it. And let's see. Oh yeah, those are nice. You can't even see it because the camera is so close, but... Bleh. Not the most flattering view. There we go. Yeah, those are great. I love that. I love the height that they bring to just regular chime candles. I like that they seem like more of a presence, or that they'll have more of a presence. And a crystal wish spell. I'll have to read this later. But that looks like a little fun spell, and lots of extra to make use of everything. I don't want to lose it. Keep it together and we'll try it out later. And I like that it comes on a little card, because you can just pop that little card into your Book of Shadows. I don't know what this powdery substance is all over it. I'm a little concerned. That would be my only detractor, which isn't like a criticism. I just don't know what it is. So let's see. I should have been probably more gentle with that. So, Beltane box. We got the crystal spell kit, which has spell candles, a crystal flower offering with a spell suggestion, herbal sage incense stick. We got that. And it gives you like this whole ritual to go through. If you were like of the endeavoring sort and wanted to pause and read, you totally could. I'm not that endeavoring. I will read this later after I get my groceries. So we got a black agate, which is great. The fairy site ritual oil. Handmade wooden candle holders. That's cool. They're also handmade. They have a kind of a handmade feel to them, but I love that. That they're definitely handmade. They're made out of birch wood, which is neat. It's the same wood that's often used to make maples, like skimming through here. A spring muse plaque. Ooh, a muse. I will definitely be amused by that for a long time to come. A dandelion pendant. And then there's some extra bonus spell work if you want to do that. The end of the ritual. We got the art prints, the Beltane art print, the pineapple papaya tea, the spring blossom teaspoon, and the oracle card, which was from The Awakened Dreamer by Kelly Sullivan Walden. That was the deck if you're interested, and more. So it's really neat. I love this box. I think it's a great value. It's got lots of cool stuff in it. I love that it has, you know, everything you need to do a ritual. You can make it small scale and do a spell. You can just sort of use these things throughout the time period, like the month of Beltane, all of May. You could use all this stuff and just sort of connect with that energy. I think it's really great. I'm looking forward to working with this, and I'm just so excited that this box is back and that I will get to, like, see it and use it and share it with you guys, because that's probably one of my favorite things. The unboxings are just as fun for me as the using. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me, guys. I got a dash. I will be back soon-ish. Pretty soon. I'm almost done getting all my stuff squared away. So when I come back, I'll have some books to share, a couple videos, and then we'll roll into summer, and you'll get to hear more about our upcoming summer challenge, because that is in the works, and it's gonna be great, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys, because we're really being ambitious, and I really am enjoying that ambition. I also have some custom orders to start cracking on. I know that people have been very patiently waiting for me to get started. I did not anticipate having to move stuff as much as I have been, but that obstacle is almost over, and I will be rolling into those, so you'll see some of that here. I'll try to work on a little bit of it with you guys here on the channel, because I know I forget to do that, and you guys keep asking to see process videos, so I will do that as soon as everything gets settled. So look for that coming up soon. Until next time, you guys, I think my Sticky Club stuff is supposed to come tomorrow, probably. So I'll do that unboxing first, and you'll probably see that. I have a book review and an Oracle deck review already loaded, so those will probably come up, and then the next journal will come out, and we'll get back into the crafting swing of things. But thanks for hanging in with me, you guys. I will catch you all next time. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your face. I appreciate all of your faces, and that's it. Happy crafting. Bye!